Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve second problem of lead code weekly context 466, which is the problem number 3675, and the problem name is minimum transformation to transform a string. So what we have to do in this problem, we have to basically uh, convert every single character of this string to a. So and we need to uh, return the maximum minimum transformation that is required to convert it into a. So uh, here is the Python code. So we are initializing a variable answer from 0, and we are iterating in the whole string. And this part, let's explain this part. 26 minus ordinary character what does it mean? So basically this part is the distance of every single character from a alphabet. Like if it is z, so z minus a is if it is z, then z minus a is 25. So it will give 25. 25 is the distance from the character which is given and from the character a. So why we are using this formula? So let's understand it. And 26 minus 5, 26 minus 26 minus 25. So it is 1. So if we look at this part, this whole part, what is it doing? It is basically to go to a, we can go by either side. Like it is z is here, so we can go by z to a, and we can also go by anti-clockwise too. So this thing 26 minus this part and divide by modulo by 26. It is giving us the minimum number of transformation that is required to convert any single character to a. So like for z, 26 minus 25 is 1, and divided by 26. Sorry, I am saying divide all the time. It's modulo. Modulo 26 means again the answer will be 1. So what does it mean that we are getting 1? So means to reach a, the minimum path will be z to a, and that will require one step, one transformation. So let's dry run over this example. A z b y, it is the string that is given to us. So we keep iterating in the string. So first we have here a, so a minus a, that is 0. So what is the distance? Distance is 26 minus a, which is 0, modulo 26, which is 0. So distance is 0. Again we are and why we are using max function? Because we have to give the transformation after calculating every single characters of this string. So the maximum step that is needed to basically we have to return the after calculating every single character, like how many steps are needed to convert it into a. So we'll be returning after calculating everything. So it's obvious that we'll be returning the highest value of this character from the whole string. So let's move to Z. So for this case we are here. Maximum value of answer is 0 and distance is 0, so it is 0. Again we move to Z. For Z minus A, which is 25. So distance is 26 minus 25 divided modulo 26, which is 1 modulo 26, which is 1. It return as the remainder. What is the remainder we are getting? So 1 is the remainder. So answer is maximum of 0, 1, which is 1. So now we move to B. So B minus A, which is B minus A is 1. So distance is 26 minus 1 modulo 26, which is 25 modulo 26, which is 25. So answer is maximum of in the previous case we have updated answer value to 1. So here it will be 1 and then it will add the distance. So maximum of 1,25 is 25. And then again we move to y minus A, which is 24. So distance is 26 minus 24 modulo 26, which is 2. So answer is maximum of 25 comma 2, which is 25. So the maximum steps that are required to convert any see, in this problem we have to return the minimum transformation that is required to convert any single character to A. So but we in the operating from the after iterating from the whole string, we will be returning the maximum what I say, that we store it in the answer of the variable which requires the maximum steps to reach to A, because we are iterating in the whole string. So here we are returning the maximum value, like in some case the answer is 0, in some case it is 2, but we have to return the maximum value because we have to convert every single integer into A. So to convert every single integer we have to iterate in the whole string. So that's why our answer is 25 in this case. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching.